Hello everyone. In this chapter of hydrocarbons, in the previous video we have discussed about preparation of alkanes. And the specific things regarding that was that in Wood's reaction and Colbill's electrolysis, always the product form is of even number of carbon atoms. And in decarboxylation reaction, it is the step down reaction that it gave rise to the product with lesser number of carbon atoms. Now, in this part we are going to discuss the physical properties of alkanes. First of all, its nature. We know that the compound formed between carbon and other atoms is by sharing of electrons, and the sharing of electrons give rise to covalent bond. That is why the sharing of electrons between carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen bonds, they are of कोवलेंट नेचर. अब क्योंकि इनका नेचर कोवलेंट होता है तो इसमें चार्जेस नहीं आते क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है. दिस गिव राइज टू नॉन पोलर नेचर टू द मॉलिक्यूल्स. इसलिए इनके जो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं उनका नेचर नॉन पोलर होता है, उन पर चार्ज नहीं होता क्योंकि बॉन्ड शेयरिंग से बनता है एंड इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस इज नॉट मच. दैट इज व्हाई द बॉन्ड इज नॉन पोलर एंड हेंस द कंपाउंड ओवरऑल इज आल्सो नॉन पोलर. Then what help them to held with each other? अब क्योंकि हमें पता है कि जो ऑपोजिट चार्जेस हैं दे अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर एंड हेल्प देम टू रिमेन बॉन्डेड टू ईच अदर. लेकिन अगर चार्जेस नहीं होंगे तो मॉलिक्यूल्स एक दूसरे के साथ कैसे बॉन्डेड रहेंगे? These are the weak van der Waals forces which help them to remain attached to each other. Coming to the next physical property, that is boiling point. Generally, the boiling point of alkanes is low, but it increases with increase in the number of carbon atoms. Also, it decreases. अगर number of carbon atoms ज़्यादा हो जाए तो boiling point बढ़ जाता है, लेकिन अगर branching हो जाए, जैसे अगर हम कहें कि this is N-butane और अगर हम इसकी branch कर दें तो अगर इसकी branching हो जाए that branching decreases, उस branch का जो boiling point होगा वो कम होगा. The reason being the branching makes the molecule compact. surface area कम हो जाएगा. जितना surface area इस molecule का होगा उतना surface area इसका नहीं होगा, due to which the branching reduces the boiling point. Coming to the melting point. Melting point of alkanes. अब alkanes में even number of carbon atoms का melting point ज़्यादा होता है as compared to the odd number of carbon atoms. The reason being that the hydrocarbon with even number of carbon atoms, the alkane with even number of carbon atoms, they are more symmetrical. जितना ज़्यादा वो symmetric होंगे उतना ज़्यादा उनका arrangement, उनकी packaging ज़्यादा strong होगी. जितनी packaging strong होगी उतना हमें temperature ज़्यादा देना पड़ेगा उसे melt करने के लिए. Starting with the next physical property, that is solubility. Now we know that alkanes are non-polar molecules and we know that like dissolves like. So non-polar molecules will dissolve in non-polar solvents. Hence here it is that like dissolves like. Coming to the next, that is density. Alkanes are lighter than water but their density increases with the increase in the number of carbon atoms. इसका मतलब जो higher alkanes होंगे उनकी density ज़्यादा होगी as compared to lower alkanes. जैसे जैसे carbon atoms बढ़ते जाएंगे वैसे वैसे density भी increase होती जाएगी. So these are all the physical properties of alkanes. Next we will discuss the chemical properties of the same, that is alkanes. Thank you.